Hey guys, what's up? This is Fabian. Well, about 10 minutes ago, I just decided to ride to Bhigwan. Now, in case you are a person who loves bird watching, this is a really good place. Not expecting to see much birds today because it's still the first week of January. Normally, you get to see a lot of these birds post the third week of January. So, this is going to be a solo ride. Time is about 8:45 a.m. and the plan is to go for a quick ride and return home by about 5 p.m. Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing fine. Well, today I'm riding to Bhigwan. So, not sure if many of you know this place, but it's about 100 kilometers from Pune. Should take us about 2.5 hours to reach. And by the way, this is a solo ride. In fact, it was a last minute planned ride. Just having breakfast, was deciding what to do today, and I thought I'll just go for a ride. It's about 9:45, so maybe we should reach by about noon. And well, Bhigwan is a place well known for migratory birds that visit this area during the winters. So it's quite famous for flamingos as well. So hopefully we get to see some flamingos today. Well, today being a Friday, I was expecting a lot more traffic. It's good, we can cover up some time. We're anyways quite late. So from here is just matter of going straight, no turns at all. It's just a straight road. In fact, even if you look at Google Maps, just look up Pune to Bhigwan, it's just a complete straight road. I mean, even the road doesn't turn. There you go, the road just is straight, it does not bend, there are no curves at all. Good in a way, but then it's also boring. I mean, there's nothing much to do. Well, I hope the mic is working fine. I don't have a mic for my GoPro, so I'm just recording this through my mobile. Hopefully it works out so that you guys can have some audio. If not, I'll just have to add some music. Well, I wish the GoPro also captured smell, because this smell here is disgusting. This seems to be a pharmaceutical company, and whenever I pass by this place, it smells disgusting. I wonder if it's even good for the locals around here. Horrible means horrible. Got a spitter on the road. Nice. Oh, let's get out of this place. It's horrible. guys, we've made it to Bhigwan. I guess it's about, yeah, it's 12. Exactly made it till noon. I'm exploring a new part of this dam. In fact, this is the backwaters of Ujjaini Dam. And I forgot to mention the roads are in good condition as well. By the way, this is also a good destination for camping. Quite a few places you'd find these tents put up where you can stay overnight, because most of the birds are active during dawn and dusk. Okay, the first birds in sight. A few cormorants over here. Hopefully we can see the flamingos. Where are they? Come on. Now the thing with flamingos is they don't really like a lot of deep water. It needs to be shallow. Oh, nice Eurasian coots. So the water needs to be really shallow for them to walk in it. They normally don't swim as such. So if the water levels are too deep, they won't be here. But let's see what's in store for us. Well guys, the water levels are too deep here, so I think because of the late rains we've had, there are no birds here. So I'll just try and go to another place where the water levels will be a little lower, and hopefully we can spot some more birds over there. Hey guys, the bad news is that the water levels are too high, and so we unfortunately cannot see any flamingos. I asked a couple of locals as well, and they say that there are no flamingos as yet. They've not spotted any this year, so I think we'll just have to wait for a couple of more weeks before we can spot a few flamingos. I'm just gonna have a light lunch now. I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, I've come to Kumbargaon, and this is also a good place next to Bhigwan itself, where you can see a lot of flamingos. So I did speak to a few locals over here as well, and they've told me that they did spot some flamingos about 15 days ago, but that was it, and they expect to see flamingos in about a month. So probably a good time to come here, Jan end to probably March or April. After that it gets a bit hot and you actually won't get to see flamingos. Time is about 4 o'clock, so I'm actually leaving from here now. I want to go back home and be home by about 6:30 hopefully. I'm going to get a lot of traffic by the time I reach Pune. So I'll see you guys soon. My battery is about to get over, so I just hate the batteries on the GoPro. For some reason, I don't know, they just last for about maybe 1 hour of recording hardly. So I've captured some videos of some birds. You can have a look at that.